Are you looking for Danish transcription with AI? You've come to the right place. I'm Tyler Bryden, the co-founder and CEO of Speak AI. Today, I'm very excited to show you how you can do Danish transcription using the incredibly easy to use software Speak. There's a reason over 200,000 people across 150 countries love Speak. You can save time and money by eliminating the need to manually transcribe the content. You make data easier to search and analyze, and you can turn unstructured language information into valuable insights. Let's start our step-by-step guide to transcribing Danish using Speak. Quickly, let's give you a couple ideas of what you can actually transcribe. You can transcribe Danish interviews, earnings calls, focus groups, meetings, phone calls, YouTube videos, Vimeo videos, Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, WebEx meetings, podcasts, and so much more. Step 1, create a Speak account. Super easy to do. Just visit the Speak website and select Try Speak Free. When you sign up, you get a fully featured 7-day trial with 30 minutes of free Danish audio and video transcription included. There are also a bunch of other functionalities in Speak we know you'll love. Luckily, I've already got an account, so I'm going to log right in. Step 2 is upload your Danish file for transcription. We typically recommend MP4s for video and MP3s for audio, but we accept a huge range of audio-video files, so you'll have no problem getting your Danish files transcribed. I've got two options here. I can hit New Upload, and then I've also got a quick action that sits across the entire application. So I'm going to hit New Upload, and I've got a couple clips ready. I'm just going to grab that file, and I can do multiple files at once if I want. Once you upload a file, really all you have to worry about is the language that you need and the folder that you want your file to go to. I have to just click on this and select the language from the dropdown and then hit upload and pay. You can see the price was automatically calculated based on the length of the file. And I have a bunch of options here. Either I can add my card and then add a balance. I can use my card directly. And of course, we've got some incredible subscription packages with transcription and analysis included. So all I want to do is hit upload, and it has now started transcribing. You can see that the file is already back, which is fantastic. Quickly, I wanted to touch on all the different ways you can get files into the system. So of course, we've got the new upload option here. You can grab YouTube videos with the URL and any URL that is publicly available. You can upload many files at once using the CSV method. We've got the incredible AI meeting assistant that allows you to have Speak automatically join and record calls on Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and WebEx. You've got beautifully built APIs that are very simple to use. An incredible Speak Zapier integration that connects you with over 7,000 different applications. A live recording option to record directly in the app itself. You've even got embeddable audio and video recorders where you can take a little snippet and capture audio and video from almost any platform across the world. And our integrations continue to grow. So a 50-second file takes just seconds to come back. You can see the transcription is now there. The video I can push around really wherever I want it on the screen. I can also easily close it. I can search through the transcript. There's an intuitive transcript editor where I can very quickly say, hey, this is me, and update my name across the file. I can edit the transcripts and we automatically create revisions for you. There's a great find and replace function to easily swap out any inaccuracies. And we even have a custom vocabulary function so you can automatically train the speech recognition system to improve accuracy for you. You can simply hit save, confirm the changes, and then you can go back and visit the file. You'll see the media will be reanalyzed. You might ask, how accurate is the Danish transcription? We leverage the best models in the world for industry-leading accuracy, no matter what language or file type. We often see high-quality files reach up to 98% accuracy. And with easy transcript editing, custom vocabulary, speaker identification, and more, you can get your transcript as accurate as you need in just seconds or minutes, not hours. And there's a ton of other great functions like sentiment, data analysis, where we extract keywords from your content. You can share this with other people. You can export your Danish transcription into multiple file types. You can translate files. And of course, the lovely AI chat where all I have to do, ask a simple question into it, give it a prompt. It's going to analyze the file and give me a response. If there's multiple speakers, you can easily see them separated and see stats. You can add team members to the account. You can create Danish subtitles with SRTs and VTT files. And there's just so much more possible in Speak. That's why we're rated 4.9 on G2, 200,000 people using the platform across 150 countries. And we have hundreds of supported languages that we're so excited to give you access to. So in this video, we went through how you can do Danish transcription and so much more. The question here now is, what are you waiting for? Join the 200,000 plus, many of them who are saving 80% of their time and money when using Speak and love getting their Danish transcription across dozens of formats in audio and video. The best part is you can try Speak free. Start your 7-day trial with 30 minutes of free audio and video transcription. You even get some AI analysis included in that. Simply visit speakai.co and hit try Speak free. We often have incredible personalized packages built just for you with amazing discounts and affordable pricing. Or we have the personalized plan builder where you can build the plan that fits your exact needs. And if you don't want a plan, you can pay as you go. Simply add a card and transcribe and analyze files as they come. You can learn more about our pricing by visiting our website. We're transparent and we're highly competitive, often 90% more affordable than other solutions. And we also decrease pricing based on medium volume. So if you have over 250 hours of Danish transcription per month, just contact the Speak team and we'll be able to share personalized pricing directly with you. So thank you so much for checking out this video. We can't wait to help you with your Danish transcription. And if you ever need some help along the way, always feel encouraged to send us a message. Thank you. This has been Tyler Bryden, the CEO and co-founder of Speak